I will show you how to solve this simultaneous equations using substitution method, okay? All right, yeah. So this one, in the last lesson, we did add or subtract those two equations to get rid of one of the variables, wasn't it? Right? So the main focus is the same. We're trying to get rid of one of the variables, but we are using substitution for this one. Then if you look at this one, the value of y is the same as 2x minus 3. Then if you look at this one, this y must be same as this value, isn't it? Because we are solving the simultaneous equations. That means the value of y, this y, and this y must be the same value. Because the answer form is gonna be like this. X equal 1, y equal negative 2. This means if you substitute this one and this one here, you get 9. This one and this one here, you get negative 3, right? So the value of y on the top equation and bottom equation must be the same. Then value of y is equal to 2x minus 3, which means if you plug 2x minus 3 instead of y, the equation must be still working, okay? So 4x plus 3 bracket 2x minus 3 equal 11. The key is you put a bracket here, okay? If you don't put the bracket, it's not gonna be working, okay? Right, so this one, 4x plus you just expand. This times this, take away this times this. 3 times by 2x is 6x, and then minus 3 times 3 is 9, equal 11. This part is gonna be 10x. And then if you add 9 on the both side, it's gonna be 20. Divided by 10, x equal 2. And then 2 is gonna be here. 4 times by 2 is 8. 8 plus 3y equal 11. Right? Oh, no, sorry. I'm too tired today. So you just plug this one in here so that you can find y. So 2 is here. Y equal 2 times by 2 minus 3. This part is 4. 4 take away 3 is 1. So the answer is x equal 2, y equal 1. Next. So we are following the same structure. This one is 3y. So this x and this x must be the same, which means this x and means 3y. So I put 3y instead of x here. 3y plus y equal negative 8. 4y equal negative 8 divided by 4 divided by 4. Y equal negative 2. Then negative 2 instead of y here. X equals 3 times by negative 2, which is negative 6. So answer is x equal negative 6, y equal negative 2. Right, next. When you see this one looks a little bit different, isn't it? You can do elimination method, but for this one, I'm teaching how to solve the simultaneous equation using the substitution. So I will do substitution. So y equal this value, y equal this value, which means this value equal this value, isn't it? So you put this instead of this y. X plus 6 equal negative 3, x plus 2. Then now you manage to get rid of y from here. So you just solve for x. So this one plus x, 3x plus 3x. Minus 6, minus 6. Then you cancel here. 4x equal negative 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, x equal negative 1. And then you plug it in here. Y equal negative 1 plus 6, 5. So the answer is x equal negative 1, y equal 5. Next one. This one is a little bit tricky. How can you use its substitution method? I would say this value and this value is the same. And then this one, this value times this 2y times by 2 is 4y, isn't it? Which means x plus 5 times by 2 is 4y, isn't it? So I put this one, plug this one in here, but times by 2. So which is 2 bracket x plus 5 equal 3x plus 9. 2 times by x is 2x. 2 times by 5 is 10 equals 3x plus 9. Right? Whichever. You do negative 3 on both sides, x, and then negative 10, negative 10 on both sides. Whichever though, you can do opposite. But anyway, 2x take away 3x is negative x, and then 9 take away 10 is negative 1. So x equal 1. Then you plug this one in here. Y 1 plus 5 is 6. So 2y equals 6. Y equals 3. So answer is x equal 1. Y equals 3. Right? So they both concept is really important. Elimination method and then substitution method, right? So if you can use both, that would be great. But yeah. And what I wanted to say is the main focus for both methods is to trying to get rid of one of the variables by adding or subtract, or by substitute, right? So I hope this video helps you your study for the MCAT, and then see you next time. See ya.